Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Walmart self-checkout. First, look for an open station, usually indicated by a green light, then step up to the terminal. Make sure all your purchases are out of your cart and ready. The screen will often ask you to choose a language, so simply tap your selection to begin. To scan, find the barcode on each product, then hold it about 4 inches above the red laser light until you hear a beep. Place the item gently into the bagging area to ensure the scale registers it correctly. If an item does not scan, try repositioning it or checking for a damaged barcode. You may also need to manually enter a code for some items. For fresh produce, tap the produce button on the screen and search for your item, perhaps bananas or apples. The scale in the bagging area will automatically weigh it, then confirm the price. If any item, like an age-restricted product or a bulky package, simply won't scan, simply tap Help or wait for an attendant to assist you promptly. Once all items are scanned, tap Pay Now on the screen. You can choose from several options: cash, debit, credit, or even digital payment methods like Walmart Pay. If paying with a card, insert it into the card reader or tap for contactless payment, then follow the prompts for your PIN or signature. Remember to retrieve your card once the transaction is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.